What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Going over Gala Games. Bitcoin has a nice five-way move off the low. So we're sitting at 0.01746, down 6% on the day. Market cap 601 million, 24-hour volume 49 million. So we have a nice impulse for BTC. Gala didn't move too much here. So what we may be looking at is just a deep four of a leading diagonal. If we were to break 0.01538, it would invalidate it, but I think there's a decent chance that Bitcoin holds its pullback zone and then sees continuation back to the upside, which means Gala would push up in the leading diagonal wave 5 towards 0.02346. Wasn't a lot of people that thought BTC was going to reverse, but luckily that's what we've been covering here on the channel and in the Discord, mostly for Bitcoin, which you can join for free, top link in the comments. So we could bounce from this support zone, but if we do break it, then I would expect this just to come a little bit lower towards 0.01653 before pushing back to the upside. Bearish scenario, we come down, we break the wave too low. It is what it is. And you're going to come down and put on a lower low. But just looking at the price of BTC, I think there's a decent chance. Gala sees the bounce to the upside and basically on the daily chart, finish this right shoulder for this inverse right head and shoulders, come up and break that neckline, break the resistance of 0.0213 and see continuation back to the upside. As I mentioned, if we do end up breaking that lower support, then yes, we can create a lower low, but I think there's a decent chance here that we do bounce back to the upside, break that neckline and see continuation back up to these levels of resistance. All right, gang, that's what I'm looking at for Gala. Make sure to sign up to BITUNIX, one of the few exchanges in North America where you can trade futures. It is available all over the world. No KYC, no VPN. When you sign up through my link, top of the comments, you get 10% back on every single trade on your fees. Make sure to join my free Discord where I give my daily crypto analysis as well as my Forex signals. All links down below. Go check them out. Smash up that like button. Subscribe if you're new. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.